Sejal.
It's me, Zaigham.
Today we're gonna be doing a science experiment with Skittles and M&Ms. Zaigham, we're gonna do an experiment to see if Skittle colors and M&M colors dissolve in the water or not. So let's start. I'm gonna put these Skittles in the plate with different colors. Wow.
Wow. They're so colorful.
Yeah. So we're gonna put some random colors. I'm gonna put some warm water in the plate. Zaigham, can you please pass me the warm water?
Okay.
That's it. Okay, now we have to wait. We got to observe carefully. Oh, I can see some red. The colors are coming out, like they're dissolving in the water.
Yeah.
Cool. Wow, this is so incredible.
And amazing.
Yeah. This is so cool. What is happening? Wow. Zaigham, what do you think is happening?
It's dissolving from the Skittles.
Yeah, the color is dissolving from the Skittles. Wow, cool. This is like incredible. Zaigham, where do you think the color is going?
In the center.
Yeah, you're right. It's going in the center. It looks like a rainbow, guys. Oh, wow, this is the best science experiment I've ever done. Like, the colors are so beautiful and vibrant. Awesome. Look at the purple color and the red colors. Let's see what happens at the back of the Skittle. Oh, gently does it. This is a purple color I picked up. And as you see, it's all white. All the color dissolved in the water. And the colors are releasing very fast. It's been a while, Zaigham, and the colors have started to mix up.
Yes.
Wow, it looks incredible.
Wow.
Now let's do the experiment with M&Ms.
I love M&Ms.
We will be using cold water for this experiment. We're gonna see if the color releases faster in cold water or in hot water.
Let's put the ice in the water.
There's some left in the glass. Yeah.
Now we have to wait for some seconds.
Yes, you're right, Zaigham. We have to wait for some time so that the water gets cold. Till the time, let's put the M&Ms. Whoa. Amazing colors. Oh. Now let's put the cold water. This is the cold water. In the Skittles, we put the warm water. Okay, that's enough. Now we wait. Oh, the blue ones. The color of the blue is coming out. It's kind of going in the water. It's dissolving. Let's just move.
Yeah, I think this will move faster.
Oh my god, the blue is like dissolving in the water.
Also the red and the orange and the yellow.
Yeah.
All of them are dissolving.
Whoa. It's... Zaigham, do you think the colors are releasing slow or it is releasing fast?
They're releasing slow.
Yeah, that's what I think. Because the Skittles were going really fast. Why do you think it's going slow, Zaigham?
Because this is cold water.
Yeah, I think we added cold water, that's why it's releasing slow. Ooh. amazing. It's like such a cool ball or something. Look, Zaigham, what happened? The colors of the M&Ms are releasing in the water, and it looks like a pizza now.
Yeah.
Wow! It's released. The M&Ms release slowly than the Skittles because we use cold water in the M&Ms. But it looks so cool!
And it's mixing.
Yeah, it's kind of starting to mix now. Skittles one basically became orange, and the M&M's one basically became brown and greenish. Yeah. So it's such a cool experiment doing this, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. So bye bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get our latest videos.